Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to take a look at a really nice rifle and pistol rack that you can use in your gun room or armory to proudly have your guns on the ready. And this is brought to us by CV Life, and this is a really high quality bit of kit. So let's show you how to put it in. So the first thing I'm going to do is, using my laser line to get plumb, I'm going to hold this piece, which is the lower rifle support, up, and I'm just going to mark two of the holes. With a drilled hole. I'm going to take the bracket and put one of the large black lag bolts in the outboard holes. I'm using a 1/2-inch socket on these. And then I'm going to pre-drill the other two. Want to make sure these tips are facing up on the black part. And there we go. We've got a pretty good level mounting on that. And then we're going to assemble and put in the upper part next. The next thing I'm going to do is attach this pistol mount. Make sure that the long side, which has the pistol grip, is top, and that's going to be evidenced by these holes being up as well. And these already have nuts attached, so it's really pretty straightforward. Just going to put these in like that. And then, just like I did for this bottom piece, I'm going to pre-drill these holes as well. Is on the middle of the rifle rack. And what I would like to do is take this bracket when I get this up and in position. I want to make sure that I center that rifle bracket in the middle of that slot as well, so my rifles hang pretty much straight up and down. That is really sturdy. Okay, so the next thing we're going to put together is this base plate here. This is going to mount to the wall, and this bracket is a vest and helmet and potentially a jacket holder. Lots of convenient stuff here. You could use this for whatever you want to hang up. But there's 4 screws basically that go in the back here, and all of those threads are already cut in the bracket for us, so all we got to do is kind of get the screws started and then get our 9/64 Allen key back and drive those in. Then we've got the helmet mount. It goes on the top here. There's also this hanging hook. Goes in that hole. And then we've got the vest or jacket holder that goes on with these 3 screws right here. Pretty much assembled. Now I am going to reposition my laser so that I get a new line for this part to be vertical. Just so you can see how it's meant to work. But yeah, your rifles just go right in here. This is going to be for your vest. Hook a jacket on here. You've got some other lanyard hooks on here. And you've got a helmet rest right here that'll allow air to get into your helmet and air it out in between uses. Well, folks, there you have it. A really, really nice looking way to display and keep on the ready your armament for whatever comes at you. Not only is this great looking, it's very functional as well. And I want to thank CV Life for letting me check one out. Thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great week.